Have you ever wondered if there's light at the end of the environmental tunnel? Well, Earth Day 2024 provides just that glimmer of hope. It's a day that's become synonymous with our collective efforts to nurture and protect our planet. But this year, it's not just about acknowledging the problems we face, it's about celebrating the solutions we're finding. You see, the narrative is shifting. Once, we spoke only of melting ice caps and vanishing species. Now, we're talking about the leaps and bounds we've made in green technology. We're celebrating nations banding together to slash carbon emissions and everyday heroes making their homes and communities greener. We're acknowledging the power of knowledge, the surge in public awareness about environmental issues, and the incredible difference that's making. Sure, there are challenges ahead, but there's a sense of optimism in the air. A sense that we're turning a corner, that we're beginning to write a new chapter in our relationship with Mother Earth. One where we're not just spectators to her decline, but active participants in her revival. Indeed, Earth Day 2024 is not a day of despair, but a day of hope, and here's why. Let's dive into some recent news stories that fuel this optimism. First up, we have a story about a remarkable international collaboration in space. Despite the political differences and earthbound tensions between the US and Russia, astronauts from these nations have worked together on the International Space Station for 3 decades. This cooperation in the name of science and exploration is a testament to what can be achieved when we put aside our differences and work towards a common goal. Imagine if we could apply this same spirit of collaboration to tackling environmental challenges back on our home planet. Next, we turn to the world of astrology. As we ushered in 2024, each zodiac sign was given pointers on areas to focus on for personal growth and development. And guess what? Many of the suggested resolutions involved strengthening connections with others, exploring creative outlets, and prioritizing mental health, all of which can indirectly contribute to a healthier planet. After all, a society that values connection, creativity, and well-being is more likely to care for its environment. Lastly, let's not forget about Jupiter's retrograde period, prompting introspection and spiritual exploration. This astrological event is a reminder of the importance of reflection and self-discovery in our journey towards a more sustainable future. These stories show that while challenges remain, progress is being made, and there are plenty of reasons for environmental optimism. Let's recap why Earth Day 2024 is a beacon of hope. We've seen unprecedented strides in environmental conservation, from deforestation reductions to wildlife resurgence. Green technology is booming, with innovations like solar-powered cities and zero-emission vehicles becoming commonplace. Globally, countries are setting aside differences to tackle environmental issues collaboratively. But perhaps most importantly, we've seen a shift in narrative. The doom and gloom of yesteryears is giving way to a message of optimism and resilience. So the next time someone asks you about the state of the environment, remember Earth Day 2024 and the wave of optimism it brought with it. Because after all, every day should be Earth Day.